send myself to death.
Yeah, I mean, like, without doing that, though, just trying to go back and forth.
Oh, yeah.
You can hear a lot.
Where you going?
Oh, you know,
Throwing glass over there,
What are you doing here?
making a ramp.
This can just be the 50s replacement.
Pretty much. It's more powerful. Yeah, it's a more powerful bike. It's more capable. It can carry more. It can do more.
Working on our first double. Watching us, body camera looks right.
I feel you. So we doing the very beginning part of the first backyard double. Old Rockefeller and Jacob over here. Right now we just using some extra logs and packing concrete style mud around it for a base. Now old Rockefeller bringing his homemade tractor. Go get some more muds.
There's a brick under here.
This is what that southern mud looks like. It's just pure goopy solidness. Start over. So we're gonna have to definitely test it, because if we want more height out of this jump versus distance,
So we have to make that incline high.
it's gonna have to come up a little bit.
We've already jumped 40 or 50 feet, but now we just want to get higher.
Yeah.
Length ain't the problem.
Nah, length, we got it. And seeing as how we have a short run to this jump right here, outside of this berm, it's a perfect jump to get the height out of it.
We're gonna build a berm right here too, so we can carry speed through the
Yeah.
turn. That way we don't have to slow down.
No, definitely.
We'll get plenty of speed to hit it.
Yeah, definitely.
Because this is gonna be the first double. There's gonna be a second double after it,
Oh.
and then you hit the other berm to come back this way, and there's gonna be a tabletop next to it.
Come back where he's coming now, but a little bit closer to the trees. Where the truck is on that path.
It's a little more dry than it was earlier. Got all the water spread around. Oh, yeah.
I got blood in my arm.
Sounds like a personal problem.
Then now we're just chopping off the side.
There's a big ass hole coming out the damn track.
We'll fill it in.
It's the death hole.
I told him to get the woods, but this was the best muddy spot. So.
It is, and it's pretty close.
Just so we can dig it. It's really
We
like,
can always go through and backfill this.
Oh yeah. Well, it doesn't matter. This right here is a little rough. It'll smooth out when we ride over it enough.
We still gotta get rid of this fucking tree that fell.
Yeah, of course.
I want to cut a few of these other trees down, make it a little bit wider.
Yeah. Once we do, we'll be able to build this trail up back here a hell of a lot more, and add a bunch.
I think when that guy comes to do the clearing, he can take care of a lot of that.
I'm sure he will. As long as we definitely talk to him about them stumps. If
I already asked him. He said that he can grind it smooth down to the ground.
Okay, that works. As long as we can do that.
But even still grinding it smooth down to the ground, it's going to get to the point where we're going to dig them up a little bit,
Oh, eventually. Just like on the Sandridge track, that stump that we had to dig up had obviously been there forever. It wasn't some brand new tree that randomly showed up and it finally got dug up.
Unless we build up on top of it.
What's what I'm thinking. That's all we got to do. Because I wouldn't mind. There's a couple places on all of these parts of the track we're doing out here. We're gonna need to add some sand or some fill dirt.
Yeah.
You know, we're gonna want to bring some high points or some low points up so we don't get these giant mud puddles that stop us from being able to track. Because mud's fun, but not when you can't jump or anything because everything's mud.
Yeah. I already plan on ordering like 14,000 pounds too.
Yeah.
Of dirt, so we'll see.
And that'd be
how
easy
far
to spread
that'll
out.
take us.
And that'd be easy to spread out with the truck and the quads.
Probably pretty heavy.
lot more than that.
Southern Dump Dirt Delivery Express. Now we got the second level coming up. Let's give it the hype.
Is all we're gonna do is just one high? Or?
You gonna go higher?
I guess we'll have to find out. See what you have to do afterwards.
Oh, two more logs right here. A big one and a small one.
We can always go one more here,
One more there and then one on top.
one more here, and one on top if we want to go higher.
Well, let's just test this and then if we want to. Oh, where was the one? Up there. What's your tootsies? Packing it up in there. Oh, frozen egg.
Odin.
I'm just gonna fucking send it, bud. I don't think I want to do this.
Odin.
Yeah, you do.
Odin, in the house. Inside. I better guess. Go. Odin, inside.
Gas?
Might be a gas.
Sit.
Is the gas on?
Nope, stay.
No.
Stupid. Your fans are counting on you. Oh, that was good. If I built the first one, it wouldn't have had that fucking monster flip on the top. There you go. Try it one more time. Yeah, we were in the lake. That one landed right on there. We also got to see how high up. Way to not hit it, pussy. This back one's pushing him. Clear.
You didn't hit the center.
Watch out.
That's our second line. I think second line's the farthest go.
Oh, one time we went up here.
Hey, full send it.
See, he's going.
Woo! He almost took out that log, too. That wasn't Max.
Okay.
It wasn't Max, though.
That's what we're looking for.
That was almost Max. Yeah, if that was a down, if it was a landing right here, you'd case it. No distraction. You cleared it.
By a lot.
You were so far past it.
By a lot. Because you were scared.
I had it.
You've seen everybody wreck over here. As soon as you wreck, you know it doesn't hurt very much. No one's fine.
You got your helmet strapped?
He does. Get it, buddy. Second gear. Go.
Let me see what you got. All right.
You did it.
Get it?
Wow. Not too shabby either. Right about here.
Come here so I can give you a pointer.
Right about here. Look at the ground.
Okay, so you see how you nose down just a little bit?
Yeah.
When you're coming up the face of the ramp, you want to hold smooth, steady throttle. Okay? So say when you're coming up towards the ramp, 75% throttle. And then as soon as your front tire starts to touch the ramp, you want to goose it up to like 95% and hold it. Don't let off until your back tire is in the air. Right? So if you feel that your front tire is starting to nose down a little bit, lean back. If you're nosing up, lean forward. If you nose up, lean forward, tap the rear brake, it's coming down. Right? If you start to nose down, lean back, and give it wide open throttle, it's going to come up. Make sense? Like, fuck it, I'm gonna hit it backwards.
I'm gonna do it how long?
Yeah, watch out.
Get out of the way, ass face. Nope.
You had no speed.
Evan, you see how you let off the throttle? On the face of the jump, you let off the throttle. What happened? Your nose went down, right? So what are you not gonna do on the face? What are you not gonna do? Don't let go of the throttle, right? Smooth, steady throttle all the way up the face. Try it one more time.
You go faster.
I hit my leg twice.
You wanna stop? All right.
Let's try again another time.